How to split screen on your Android phone. Now in order to split screen on your Android phone, you just simply need to open your Recents tab, and after opening the Recents tab, you just simply need to select any of the application to use on split screen. Now just simply tap into the app for a while and it is gonna look like this. Now you need to drop the application into either upper half of your phone or the lower half of your phone in order to create split screen. I'm putting it into the upper half of the screen like this. Just simply drop it there, and after this the split screen is created and you can select the another app to use in the lower half of your screen. I'm selecting Play Store into the lower half and upper half. You can also adjust the split by dragging this middle bar like this, and you can use two applications at the same time like this in Android using the split screen. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.